The Budget Bliss team introduces a Friday fridge audit that reveals leftovers, trims waste, and starts a smarter week. They show grocery savings by planning meals around sale items, comparing unit prices, and using loyalty apps for extra discounts. A DIY decor segment demonstrates a quick wall makeover using reclaimed wood scraps and thrifted frames for under $10. They share smart shopping strategies like bulk buying for non-perishables, shopping with a list, and avoiding impulse buys. The guide closes with a friendly reminder that small, consistent steps lift daily life without breaking the bank.